In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in DocuSign. Managing your digital identity is essential, and having the right signature can make all the difference in ensuring your documents are signed just the way you prefer. Let's get started with updating your signature on DocuSign. First things first, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. It's as simple as opening your browser, going to the DocuSign website, and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which houses all your recent activities and documents. Now, to access your profile settings, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu options, select Manage Profile. This action takes you into the back-end area where most of your account settings are located. Within the profile settings, look for the section labeled Signatures, although it might also appear as My Signatures depending on your particular layout. This is where all your current signatures are stored, and from here, you'll be able to manage or modify them as needed. Once you're in the Signatures section, it's time to locate the specific signature you wish to edit. DocuSign provides a convenient list of your signatures, and underneath or beside each signature, there should be an option labeled Edit or Actions, leading you to edit. Clicking this option will open the editing interface where you can make your changes. At this stage, you have several options for customizing your signature to fit your needs. One of the simplest methods is to type your name directly into a text box. DocuSign offers a variety of font styles to choose from, allowing you to select the one that best matches your personal or professional style. Alternatively, for a more personal touch, you can draw a new signature using your mouse or stylus. If you prefer to use a handwritten signature, you also have the option to upload an image. This requires a pre-scanned image of your signature saved on your device. Simply click on the option to upload and navigate through your files to find the right image. In some cases, you might want to start fresh by deleting your existing signature. DocuSign allows you to clear the current signature, giving you a clean slate to create a new one from scratch. After you've made your preferred edits or changes, remember to save your work. There should be a Save button or similar prompt on the screen. Clicking Save ensures all your changes are applied, and your updated signature is ready for future use. And there you have it, a streamlined process to keep your signature up to date in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.